Morning folks. So today we're on the walls. Now you can see we're all block algae. There's lichen on the walls. It just doesn't look very bonny. So what we're going to do is we're going to make up some homemade stuff, spray it on the walls and get rid of all this lichen and mould. It's a beautiful day for it, so we'll get it done early so it doesn't dry too quick. So we'll show you what we're going to make first up. So we're going to do it in two passes. We're going to do like a pre-soak sort of thing. So to make that, I've already got 10 litres of water in here, another 10 litres, and then we've got anti-algae. It's for swimming pools. It's quite cheap. It was like £8 out of Super U. So what we'll do is we'll just add all that together and make a nice soup. Right, I'll just add this bucket into here. So I'm going to end up with 22 litres of stuff. So that should do 3 sides of the house. We're going to be lime washing the wall in a few days. This is just going to get this stuff wet and so hopefully loosen it up a wee bit. And we'll let it sit for about an hour on the wall, and then we're going to hit it with some seriously strong stuff. But we'll show you how to do that. Now, just get a star. If you can't find a stick, just cut down a tree. It'll be fine. I don't think this stuff's overly strong. It's a preventative anti-algae for pools. Right, that's that. Right, I'll go get the sprayer and fill her up. I'll do weed killer bottle sprayer. We'll just spray the wall. Well, this is it. First coated, you can't see anything. The water just looks a wee bit wet. So it's anti-algae, so this should start. It started turning brown already, just with anti-algae. So we've got black mould, yellow lichen, and white lichen. So done the really stubborn, sort of really bad bits, giving them good 3 coats of the stuff. So now we've got to leave it for an hour. So while we're waiting on that, we'll make up the second coat, the really strong stuff. So I'll give you the recipe at the end of the video, but it's starting to work already. We gave it a wee rub with a brush here. Don't know if you can see the difference, but yeah, it seems to be working. The next coat will take all that completely off. So stay tuned. Right, so here's the second batch of stuff. First thing into this is a bucket with hot water, warm water, and we're going to bung this in. Chlor shock. It's chlorine for swimming pools, and it's really strong. That's 2 kilos, so we're going to bung the whole lot in and dissolve it. Here we go, 2 kilos. Now when you're doing it, I would strongly suggest wearing a mask. 2 litres, 2 kilos. There we go. Now, here's my tree I cut down earlier. The wife cut it down. Now I just get a star on. She's bubbling already. That's strong stuff. Oh, actually it doesn't smell too bad, eh? So just stir this till she dissolves. So we'll look when it's done. Right, that's the pool shock in. Now we're going to bung in some sodium percarbonate. It's an oxygenator. You use it in laundry and stuff, your washing machine. It's basically what makes OxyClean oxygenated. So we'll bung that in. Whoa! Ho ho ho! Check out it! Ho ho ho! You inside, Kiva. Oh yeah! So we have 2 bags, so that's 1.6 kilos.
Oh, it stinks too.
Wow. Yeah, use a mask. That's pretty wicked. I'll give it a star with my tree. If any of you are wondering about my tree that I've cut, it's don't worry, I hugged it first. I always hug your trees before you cut them down. It's the right thing to do. Yeah, we'll give that. Jeez.
Here.
We'll give that a start and we'll leave it and we'll go inside. Okay, next up we have soda crystals. It's a degreaser and cleaner, and it goes into this mix as well. So we'll just throw that in and that. There's some serious chemical reactions going on here. That's quite cool. We'll give that a stir. Right, we'll let that cook for 10 minutes. I'll add another 10 litres of water. And last up we have this soap.
But non-ionic.
Non-ionic, 400ml, so basically half a bottle. Oh, smells bonny now. Rosemary and ginger. Lovely jubbly. Right. Give that a stir. Leave it for 20 minutes. Stir it again and then we'll get it onto the wall. Okay, that's her, all treated. You can see the wall's starting to go white. That means that the chlorine in the mixture is starting to work. It was quite a lot, it was quite bad here with black mould and the same up this corner, but it's certainly not looking black now. So what I have to do is leave it 48 hours so the stuff can kill all the mould and lichen. I mean this side as well. We're going to be doing some crepe on that window to make it look rendered, and then we're going to lime wash the whole lot. This is like a pre-lime wash wall mould killing treatment. So it's looking better. The cell has brightened up quite a lot. You can still see some black stuff, but all I need to do tomorrow or the next day is give it a good brush. I don't particularly want to. I could power wash it, power jet it, but I don't have one, so I'm going to sew shoulders in the morning. Well, that's it for day one. Okay, here's a wee update. That's all been sprayed and washed and scrubbed. You can still see like black bits here, but everything is off the wall. Everything is just completely dead. So that's a good foundation for our lime wash. Carl started a couple of years ago and got that high. So no bothered about that. But yeah, it's a hell of a difference to what it was. You can see here, there's still the odd block bit. I might just wash this bit again just to get it all off, but that's just, I mean, we're speaking 30-40 years of shit on that wall, so there's going to be some left over, but it's way better than it was, and I'm quite happy. We've got a few wee repairs today. We've got these brackets. There's one out already, so I fill that hole. I'm going to eventually render this, but I'll lime wash it off first, clean up the stone. I'll probably just give it a sand or something onto a drill and just get it tidy up. I'll lime wash the sill, the lintel, the sill, 2 bits up the side, and I'll fill in any cracks. I've actually got a crepe gun, so I'll just blast some crepe into the joints, give it a brush, and hopefully that'll make it look as good as new. Lots of hairline cracks, but hopefully a lime wash will help fill that up. So that's the update for that. That's the end of this video. That was just for prep work and stuff. So if you get in and out of the video, I'll put the ingredients into the description. If you're having a dull Friday, here's something to cheer you up. The old bus, the old 2CV with the machine. And if you like the opposite end of the spectrum for cars, here's another one. 420 horses compared to 2 horses. Right, have a good weekend. Toodle pip.